Hi, this is Adam with Small Town Machine Shop, and we're back on this. Today's goal is to get the auxiliary motor mount made up. As you know, well, as you may not have known, this is the original motor to it. Now, the windings were bad. So what I'm going to do is I cut a V-groove in the rotor, and I cut a window in the housing. So this guy will obviously sit up in the middle. This guy will go in there. And then there'll be a motor behind it that has a belt that goes into that motor, and that's what will drive it. Yes, crude, but it will work. So I need to come up with get everything mounted here. Here. I'm going to probably start by putting 2 flat pieces of steel. I'm going to drill and tap into this, probably 3 or 4 per side, and then we'll just weld everything up from it and just build it as we go. So yeah, let me get this motor part mocked up, and let's get some steel and let's get to work. Like most machine shop jobs, they all start at the bandsaw. Drilling the holes for the 3 bolts that will secure it to the mill. Okay, drill one more and get that done. This is a little tip. I like to keep a drip pan underneath my drill presses, especially if you're doing a lot of drilling. Okay, so we have our 2 plates made. I got the base of the old motor and the rotor in there, so we have a point to aim for. Next thing to do is I'm going to drill and tap the ram for these 2 guys. And that'll probably be as far as we get today. It's this, this stuff takes a bit and customers calling and whatnot. But then we'll have our base ready to go. So then all we gotta do is take some measurements in the next video and start mocking stuff up. Yes, very good progress. We are getting there. And then you can see kind of more how we're gonna drive this, belt to belt and all that. Okay, let me get some drill bits and some taps and stuff, and I'll probably fast motion this as super interesting as it's gonna be. Okay, so we got our first bolt in. I don't know why, but I assumed this was solid for some reason. It's about, 3/4 of an inch thick, so we got plenty of grab. And what I'll do is I got this one tightened, holding my microphone because my clip broke. And there's plenty of clamp. Yes, I know, the angle is not exactly right. It'll work. The other ones will be much better. Yeah, see? Not everything we do here on YouTube is perfect. So yeah, get those other 3 holes in. And then go from there. So the next video will be the building of the actual motor mount and the adjustment system. Because I still need to do a little bit of thinking on that. So I'll get these done. I'll do that the rest of the night, so I won't make you watch that. But yes, very good progress. Every step forward. When you got a project like this, just keep at it and just keep working at it and you will get it done. So yeah, this is Adam from Small Town Machine Shop. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.